بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. I hope each and every single one of you is well, and welcome back to another Ramadan Reminder. In today's reminder, I want to focus on a few lessons that we can learn from the story of Yusuf alayhi salatu wassalam. Lesson number one is the lesson from the very beginning, and that is when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blesses you with something, it's not good all the time to go out and tell people. Yusuf alayhi salatu wasalam sees a dream, and his father understood immediately that Allah will have something in store very big for my child, and he advises him not to tell his brothers because they may show some sort of jealousy towards him. So number one, the first lesson we can definitely learn is when Allah blesses us with something amazing, just keep it to yourself, and there is no need to go around spreading this to others. Another lesson we can learn is even though you may be upon the truth, you may be upon the haqq. For example, Yusuf alayhi salatu wassalam, he was thrown inside the well. He didn't do anything wrong. He was on the path of, he was on the correct path. He was on the haqq, he was on the truth. But his brothers still plotted and schemed against him. He did not commit any form of zina, na'udhu billah min dhalik, but he was accused of doing so and was sent to prison. But remember one thing, the truth will prevail. It may take one day, it may take 2 days, it may take 3 weeks, it may take a month, it may maybe take years, it may take a lifetime. But if you are upon the haqq and you are upon the truth, then just hold with patience, because وَقُلْ جَاءَ الْحَقِّ وَزَهَقَ الْبَاطِلِ. The truth will always prevail. And this is one lesson that we can find in the story of Yusuf alayhi salatu wassalam. We've seen at the end, when the truth opened up, it was him being the king of Egypt and his brothers standing before him seeking help. Another lesson we can learn is a lesson of patience and never losing hope. What were the words of Yaqub alayhi salatu wassalam? فَصَبْرٌ جَمِيلٌ. Patience is beautiful, and I will exercise patience. And his patience and not losing hope in the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brought him and his child Yusuf alayhi salatu wasalam together at the very end. A few lessons that we can learn. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make these words for me but not against me on the day of Qiyamah. Please like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends and family. Remember me in your sincere du'as. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.